Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to learn about calculation of arithmetic mean using step deviation method, or it is also called change of origin and scale method of individual data series. Okay. So to solve any numerical problems of statistics, first of all we have to know its formula. Okay. So the formula to calculate the arithmetic mean of individual data using step deviation method is x bar is the symbol of sample mean equal to a plus summation d dash by n into h. We have to know the symbol used in this formula. Okay, so for that let's take one data set. So we have the age of 7 person. So 75, 45 years, 85, 55 years, 60 years, 40 years and 80 years. So these are the data set. So it is individual data series. So look at this formula. So first symbol used in this formula is A. So here where A means it is assume mean. Okay. So about the assume mean we have already learned in the calculation of arithmetic mean using assume mean also. So here A means assume mean. So from this data set we can assume any data as a assume mean. Okay. So there is no any hard and fast rule that we have to take this data as a assume mean. We can take any data as a assume mean. So for the easiness we can take the middle value of the smallest and largest data of this given data set. For example, here our smallest data is 40 and maximum is 85. So from here we can take 55 as a assume mean. Okay. So let A is equal to 55. Okay. So D dash. So D dash means it is called x minus A upon H. So the formula of D dash is x minus A upon H. So here x represent the data, A means assume means, so H. So what do we know H? So x minus A, it is also called deviation. So D upon H. So here H means we say it is the common factor. Okay, it is common factor. So here we assume the H after finding the deviation only. Okay, to assume the H there is no any hard and fast rule that we have to take H as this value. Okay, but for the easiness, if our last digit is 0 or 5 means after the deviation, okay, deviation last digit is 0 or 5, so we can assume H as a 5. If our last two digits is 0 0, like after deviation, if our value is like 100, 200, 500, 700, 1200, 1400, so we can assume H is equal to 100. If our last digit is even number, suppose after finding the deviation we got the value like 14, 18, 28, yes, 26, like this, we can assume H as a 2. Okay, but if we have not any, if there is no any common factor, okay, between all the deviation, then at that time we can assume H as a 1. Okay, so then another things we need is n. N means number of data or observation. Another thing we need is H. H is common factor. Okay, arithmetic mean using step deviation method of individual data series, we need 4 things. A, assume mean, summation D dash, another is n, another is H. Okay. Okay, now let's solve this question. So we have assume A is a 55 years. Okay, or we have assume A is a 55. Now to solve this, all we have to make the column of x. So x means the column of data because we represent the data by x. So 70, 45, 85, 55, 60, 40 and 80. Okay, first of all we make the column of x, so we write this data. Okay, another column we need is deviation column, that is we subtract the age mean from all the data. Okay, another column we need is deviation column, that is x minus a. We subtract the age mean from all the data. So 70 minus 55, 15, 45 minus 55 minus 10, 85 minus 55 is 30, 55 minus 55 is 0, 65 minus 55 is 5, 40 minus 55 is minus 15, 80 minus 55 is 25. Okay, I have already told you that we assume yes after finding the deviation. Yes, so if your last digit is 0 or 5, we assume the yes 5, or we find its highest. Okay, another main important column is d dash. Okay, because we need summation d dash. Okay, so d dash is x minus a upon x. So I have already told you that we assume the h means common factor after finding the deviation. Okay, so if your last digit deviation digit is 5 or 0, we assume h is a 5. So another way of assuming h is find the HCF, highest common factor of this 15, 10, 35, 15, 25. Okay, so highest common factor also will get the 5. So let's assume h equal to 5. Okay, h equal to 5. Okay, because the last digit is also 5 or 0, or in another way if we find the HCF, its value is also 5. So we assume the h equal to 5. Okay, now d dash is equal to x minus a upon h, 15, and we have assumed 5, it will be 3 minus 10 by 5 minus 2, 30 by 5, 6, 0 divided by 5, 0, 5 divided by 5, 1, minus 15 divided by 5 is minus 3, 25 divided by 5 is 5. So after that we find the d dash. Okay, by yes dividing x minus a by h. Okay, okay, now we need summation d dash. Okay, let's set the positive value. 3 plus 6, 9, 10, 15. Summation d dash is 10. Now after finding the summation d dash, now keep all this symbol value in this formula. Okay, so we have assume a is a 55, summation d dash we get the value of 10, n, so these are the data of 7%, so n is 7, h is we have assumed 5, so 55 plus 50 divided by 7, so 55 plus 10 5s are 50 divided by 7, so 55 plus 50 divided by 7 is 7 point 10 49, which is 1 4